Ruby is an object-oriented scripting language known for its speed and simplicity. Developed in Japan, it's a C-based language that supports multiple operating systems and is favored for its dynamic typing and ease of use. Ruby's syntax, similar to Perl and C, along with features like dynamic typing and duck typing, make it a popular choice for web developers. It's also equipped with a robust standard library and tools for metaprogramming, allowing for elegant code and quick development. However, it does have its drawbacks, such as syntax complexity and potential errors. Ruby on Rails, or Rails, is an open-source web application framework that follows the Model View Controller, MVC architecture. Released 10 years after Ruby, Rails has gained popularity for its ability to streamline web app development. It enforces convention over configuration and dry principles, simplifying the coding process. Rails also offers features like active record for database operations, RESTful routing, and built-in security measures. While Rails accelerates web development, it may not be as flexible as some alternatives and can be costly for complex projects. The key distinctions between Ruby and Rails lie in their application and flexibility. Ruby is a versatile language that can be used for desktop applications and web services, while Rails is a framework that simplifies web app development on Ruby. Rails is particularly useful for creating MVPs and prototypes quickly. Understanding the differences between Ruby and Rails is crucial for developers to choose the right tool for their projects. Ruby requires server-side scripting and is ideal for static sites and DevOps applications, whereas Rails is tailored for web platforms with a focus on user interface and security.